Hello everyone. Welcome to the Cerebral Crew. Today we will learn about plant power, the secret recipe of photosynthesis. Ever wonder how plants eat without a mouth or teeth? Today, we're diving into the leafy world of photosynthesis, where plants turn sunlight into food. Let's get growing. Plants are amazing. They make their own food using a superpower called photosynthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means coming together. But how do they do it? For photosynthesis, plants need three main ingredients: sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Think of it like a recipe for plant food. First, sunlight. The sun's rays are captured by the plant's leaves, like little solar panels soaking up energy. This energy is essential for making food. Next, water. Plants drink water from the soil through their roots through the process of osmosis. This water travels up the stem and into the leaves. And finally, carbon dioxide, or CO2. Plants take in this invisible gas from the air through tiny holes in their leaves called stomata. These stomata are like little doors that open and close. Inside the leaves, there's a special laboratory where photosynthesis happens. It's called the chloroplast, and it's filled with green pigments called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll grabs the sunlight and gets everything ready for the food-making magic. Now, the magic begins. Using sunlight, chlorophyll combines water and carbon dioxide to create a special sugar called glucose. This is the plant's food, giving it energy to grow big and strong. And guess what? Oxygen, a byproduct of this process, is released back into the air. Thanks, plants, for giving us fresh air to breathe. Photosynthesis is super important because it not only feeds plants but also provides oxygen for animals and humans. It's a vital part of life on Earth. So, next time you see a plant, remember its secret recipe for making food and how it helps keep our planet green and healthy. Thanks for joining our leafy adventure. Keep exploring and learning about the amazing world around us. Do subscribe to our channel, The Cerebral Crew. See you next time.